How can my estate plan help if I become unable to care for myself? Hi, I'm Dan Covington. I'm an estate planning attorney in Lawrence, Kansas. I help people get their affairs in order. So how can my estate plan help if I become unable to care for myself? Well, a couple things. Your trust will provide assets toward your support, and your power of attorney is a document that's going to authorize someone to act on your behalf. Since it's hard to think about, people often overlook the real possibility that someday their competency might fade. You and I may need someone to help us take care of things. One day you may be less than fully equipped to take care of yourself. That's just a hard reality. But let's be frank, if you do begin to slip, I believe you'd prefer that you would have planned for what happens, because being at the mercy of a plan someone else made is probably not what you're hoping for. So then what plan might we put in place? First, a trust contemplates the possibility of you coming to a point where you want a little help. And second, a durable power of attorney document, in that you can appoint someone who you trust to care for you and your finances. Hopefully you have some notion of what is a trust. If not, you could take 4 to 5 minutes. I've made plenty of videos on this topic. Look for those at Estate Plan Kansas. But toward being ready to take care of you during your life, your trust can really help out. It can provide that a trusted person will become the trustee. So this is basically the administrator of your trust. This trustee, if you should need help, can muster assets of your trust to be available to you and for your benefit. So they can provide money to you directly, or they can provide money to an account. They can provide money to a home health nurse, or for groceries, or for prescription drugs. Your trustee will have limited powers. They won't have the authority to grab up your trust assets and do whatever they like. Instead, you name them as a trusted fiduciary who's bound to act by the provisions of your trust document. They may act only in your best interest, consistent with the terms defined in your trust. So this is the side of your estate plan which provides the support for you. And how will your durable power of attorney help now? In your durable power of attorney, in this document, you're going to name someone who has authority to care for you personally, and you name someone who has authority to make medical decisions with and for you. So kind of another way to look at it, there's a durable power of attorney. You might have a business side, and then you might have a health side, right? They can speak to medical professionals on your behalf. They can act as your HIPAA personal representative. So you can be prepared in the event something should happen with this power of attorney document. Now compare this to the notion that maybe you do nothing. Then if you should ever need your care, your family's left to decide what the plan's going to be, how to go about putting the assets together, and who should be the person to be entrusted with your care, right? Stark difference between you putting together your own plan, you deciding what assets and where it's going to come from, and who's going to be that trusted person named in your durable power of attorney document, called your attorney in fact. It's need not be an attorney. That's just the kind of the buzzword. Is your attorney in fact is the person you entrust in your power of attorney document. Again, your family might put together a great plan. It may go well, it may not. Either way, it unlikely would be precisely the kind of plan that you would have put together for yourself, or you could put together for yourself today, tomorrow. So I don't know about you, but I want to be part of creating that plan for my own life. So again, how can you plan your estate to help if you become unable to care for yourself? Well, first, your trust can provide the support you need, and second, your durable power of attorney. In this document, you can appoint someone you trust to help you with all these sorts of things. Hope this has helped you out. I'm Dan Covington again. I'm an estate planning attorney in Lawrence, Kansas. If you ever need some assistance from me, you can find me at estateplankansas.com. Thank you.